All right, so here is a little tip. Um, if you are sitting in a Emacs and doing your programming, uh, so it might come in handy. So in this video, I'm show you how you could fold your code and how to unfold it. Mind it, if you are familiar with Emacs, it has got nothing to do with narrowing and unnarrowing, which is quite different. This is specifically for code folding and unfolding. Okay, so to give you some sort of sense what I've just said to you, let me go to my Emacs client. Uh, this is running in terminal mode as usual. I just arbitrarily open a C file which is having so many blocks there. As you see, there are so many blocks are there, code blocks are there. Say for instance, this is quite a long file, right? So I just don't want to see all this stuff. So what I'll do, I'll fold everything and either select fold everything first of all. So place your cursor anywhere. First of all, what you have to do, you need to, you see my, look at the bottom of the screen, my cursor is highlighted with HS minor mode to selectively hide show code and comment block. Okay, so these things has to be enabled in the buffer where you are seeing the code. If you haven't done it for globally in your init.el or .emacs file, again I'm saying this particular mode has to be activated on the buffer where you are seeing your code to take effect. If you haven't done this mode to actively global via your init.el file or .emacs file, okay, so I haven't done activated it globally, so I'm activating it in this particular buffer where I'm seeing this code. Okay, so if I press enter, bang, look at the bottom of the echo area. So it says because I have already activated this mode. So place your cursor. The command you need to uh, fire is to fold all the blocks in the file. Control C, at, and Control T. What happened? So it is enabled now. Look at the echo area at the bottom of the screen. HS minor mode enabled in current buffer. Okay. Now what I have to do? Control C, at, and Control T. See, all the box getting folded. You see this parenthesis with ellipses has come to hide all these all these blocks to be hidden. Okay, so if I go here and see, all the blocks see, all are hidden. Instead it will show a parenthesis with ellipses. That means all the blocks are hidden. Right now you could specifically unhide this particular block by pressing Ctrl C, at, and Ctrl S. See, this particular block get unfolded. My cursor was in that particular block hiding section, and I press Ctrl C, at, and Ctrl S to unhide this particular block. Okay, so now if I wanted to unhide all the blocks, okay, so all I have to do, Control C, at, and Control A. See, all the blocks get exposed or unhide. Okay, so I've shown you three things: how to hide all the code blocks once you block it, once you fold it, it will, all the blocks get folded and only the braces and the parentheses and the dots will come, ellipses will come. Okay, so to unhide it, you need to press Ctrl C, Alt and Ctrl A to unhide all the blocks. Okay, to give you some sort of sense, Control HF and HS minor mode. Look at the right hand side buffer. I have opened the documentation of it, so it will be easier for you to read through. So there are variety of key presses are there, sometimes equal functioning different key presses. So I choose the normal easy one. Control C, Alt, Control A, hide all the code block, which is what I did when hiding. Now and I did Control C, Alt, Control T, okay, which hide all the blocks, and to expose a particular block I did Control C, Alt, Control S to expose a particular block, unhide a particular block. Okay, so these are the various commands which basically start with Control C, Alt. Then there are various subcommands out there which you need to apply as per your liking. I just showed you three things: how to hide all the blocks by pressing this command. See, my cursor is hovering. Control C, Alt, Control A, hide all the command. Let me go to the other pane, and if I place my cursor arbitrarily, Control C, Alt, Control A. C, Alt, Control A. Why it is doing like this? Control C, Alt, Control A. Oh, it's showing all right. So now if I want to hide something, Control C, Alt, Control T. See, all of them get these, all the blocks get folded. So all it indicates braces with ellipses. Okay, that means this code, these all code blocks get collapsed or hide. Once I press Control C, Alt, Control T from right hand side buffer, so you could do the same thing with other combination of key that is there. I choose it because it's easy to remember. Okay, to unhide everything, to expose a particular code block, all you have to do, press your cursor on the particular code block, Control C, Alt, Control S. See, that particular code block get unfolded. Okay, so now if you want to unhide or unfold all the code block, so all you have to do, Control C, Alt, Control A. See, all the code block gets unfolded or unhide. Very nice thing. So if you working inside Emacs and I'm showing an arbitrary example, it could be applied to other language also. So I'm just arbitrarily open a C file and showing you that you could hide and unhide particular code block as per your convenient. And on the right hand side, the mode that has to be activated is HS minor mode. Okay, that has to be activated. Then this particular commands, then this while my cursor is hovering, this particular commands will get activated. All the commands start with Control C at, then the various other key combination to do this. There are various key combination to do the same thing. Okay, so I have just shown you the three important one. Uh, so I think it will be useful for some people who are, and this is the code behind the scene. It will work like this. Okay, so I thought it will be useful for some people. Thanks for watching.